We have a question from Mayuri Dikshit. Her question is that I had invested some amount in ICICI Prudential Long-Term Equity Fund, a tax saving fund in ELSS in 2015. I will be getting that money back this year. Do you suggest I should reinvest or find some better scheme? This is an interesting question because, you know, while an ELSS has a 3-year lock-in, many of us think we must exit when the 3 years are up, but that's not necessarily the case.
After the 3-year gets over, you have to assume that an ELSS fund is as good as a multi-cap diversified category for you. So you should get out only if the scheme warrants because of underperformance or for any other reason. So likewise here, interestingly, this scheme actually has gone down the performance chart. It was, I'm assuming, and actually this was true, that this one was actually doing very well 2-3 years back. So when Mayuri, you bought the fund was doing actually pretty well. So to be fair to you, you bought the right fund. But now the fund is not doing well. It's not performing over the last 3-4 quarters. So if you want to exit for that reason, yes, it makes sense. And if you want to do an ELSS this year, the fund which you pick, and you can even add to that fund if you don't want to add new more schemes in your portfolio. But it's a diversified category, so you can even look at this fund in case of a good performing scheme. For example, had this fund been good, I would have said just hold on to the fund. It's a good diversified fund for you, and you could even add more as an ELSS category into this scheme. But now being an underperformer, you can get out of that and look at some other scheme for yourself.